As we know that most of the sexual dysfunctions, as we discussed in the last section, are curable, are treatable. The curability or the curability of sexual dysfunctions depends majorly on the causes due to which sexual dysfunction has taken place. In most of the cases of psychosexual dysfunctions or the sexual dysfunction due to social causes or many of the biological causes are potentially and completely recoverable. Importantly, there are two general principles of treating sexual dysfunctions. One principle is the general principle in which all the good lifestyle, healthy diet, regular exercise, prevention and abstinence from the illicit drugs or heavy smoking or alcoholism is of very much of the importance. You should be very honest in your relationship, and you should not have multiple sexual partners so that you could avoid sexually transmitted diseases. The specific principle or the cause specific treatment depends on the type and the cause of the sexual dysfunction. It also depends on the severity of the sexual dysfunction. In many of the cases, although sexual dysfunction can start because of just one cause, but over the time the psychological aspects can come up, and that may contribute in compounding the situation. If the biological causes are there, as we discussed earlier, like metabolic disturbances, hypertension, cardiovascular disorders, neurological disorders, hormonal disturbances, or any other form of like drug-induced conditions, a thorough history, a good perfect physical examination, a good mental status examination, as well as certain fundamental tests like nutritional status, the certain fundamental blood tests, as well as the hormonal assessments are required to ascertain the exact cause of the condition. A constant counseling, reassurance, as well as a proper education, psychoeducation about the condition is of great importance, and a combination of physical therapies, if required, are given to the people who are suffering from the biological causes of the sexual dysfunction. In cases where the sexual dysfunction is due to psychological causes, constant psychological, there are certain form of psychological therapies are there, and certain form of medical treatments are also available for the people who are suffering from the sexual dysfunction. So it is a good news that most of the patients are actually treatable, but they require a proper and early intervention in their condition so that it would not deteriorate over the time.